Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.5 on Oracle Linux 9. The process is same on all Oracle Linux 9 versions. Okay, first open any web browser. Now go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. Hit enter. See here at the time of installation the latest release is PostgreSQL 17.5. Click on download. Then click on Linux, then select Red Hat or Alma Linux. See here the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on RHL, Oracle Linux, Alma Linux, CentOS, Oracle Linux and Fedora. Okay, so select the version. See here we have the versions from 13 to 17. So select the latest one, then select the platform. See here we have the RHL, Oracle, Alma or Oracle Linux 9. Select this one. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed to install the PostgreSQL 17.5. So copy these commands one by one and execute. Copy it, open terminal, sudo, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It is success. Now disable if there are any inbuilt PostgreSQL modules. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now install PostgreSQL Server by using this command. So sudo dnf control-L dnf install PostgreSQL. If you want to install 17, give 17. If you want to install 16, give 16. If you want to install 15, give 15. So I want to install latest version, then give -server. See here the command again, sudo dnf install PostgreSQL version number and -server. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL and these dependencies. Okay, type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. Again type 5 for GPG confirmation. See, we have successfully installed Ctrl-L. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo su sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is not started and it is disabled. Before starting we have to initialize the database. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter, then enable the PostgreSQL server. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now start the PostgreSQL server. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. We have successfully started and enabled. Ctrl-L. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. If you don't give 17, it won't work. See, we have successfully started PostgreSQL server. See, status is active and running. Okay, quit Ctrl-L. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. This is not the PostgreSQL server version, it is the PSQL client version. Okay, to get the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server 17.5. Now verify the list of the users. /du or see here we have only one user, that is Postgres. We can also get the list of the users by running the command select username from pg_user. See, this is the user. Okay, so we have only one user, that is super user. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the new password for this super user. Close it. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Okay, now verify list of databases. /L. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. Let us we can also get the list of the databases by running pg select dat name from pg underscore database. See, these are the default databases. Let us create a database. Create database. See, we have created database successfully. Now verify again. See, we have the bank database. Now switch to this database and create a table. Switch to database. We have to use backslash here, backslash connect. Okay. Also see here, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. And see here, we don't have any tables because this is the newly created database. So create table, create table. See, we have created table in public schema. This is the name of the table and this is the type of the object and this is the owner. Okay. Now insert some data into this table. Verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Control A. Now we will see how to create user. Create user David with password. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify again. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the PostgreSQL and connect with this new user. So to exit, we have to use the \q. PSQL-HH means host name PostgreSQL. Okay, so we have installed PostgreSQL on this PC. So give localhost hyphen. If it is on some other machine or host, then you have to give that. Then hyphen caps U. Then new username is David hyphen D. D means database Postgres. Hit enter. Then we have to give this password. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. We have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have logged into the PostgreSQL server with the user David. Okay, so exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server on Oracle Linux 9.5. But the process is same on all Oracle Linux operating systems. So we can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit, sudo systemctl, control sudo systemctl, stop PostgreSQL hyphen. We have to give the version. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Okay, and 6 seconds ago. Okay, Q to quit. Also try to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su hyphen postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, so exit and start the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL hyphen 17. So verify again. See, PostgreSQL server is started. Okay, and also notice here these are the list of the background processes running. Okay, and see, this is the data directory and these are the background processes: logger, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher, logical replication. If you want to restart, just use sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL hyphen 17. We have successfully restarted. Okay, until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or db. Those are the most popular tools. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 17.5 on Oracle Linux 9.5. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.